Hi, my name is Dipesh Verma and I'm 20 years old. I come from India and this is my final year with the school Paris Marais Dance School. This training program in Paris Marais Dance School helped me in many different ways to prepare for my audition or to grow as a dancer or even as a human being, and to bring out myself as a more confident and more independent artist. It helped me in many different ways, such as I learned here with such a great environment, in such a with such a great people. We learned in singing, karate, theater, which I personally feel helped a lot for my dancing career in terms of find my inner artistry and interpretation. And also we have different type of classes for boys and girls, so it really helps an individual needs. And personally, I feel this school really helped me to cover the whole what I need to be as a professional dancer and
Thank you.
to prepare
So,
for the audition.
did you train mainly in singing and karate? What were the main disciplines?
We train here mainly in contemporary and ballet, specifically Balanchine and Graham technique, but we also had other modern contemporary techniques such as Houghton, Cunningham, released, and we had other like different teachers, so we had same technique but from different kind of teachers, so it was very diverse, and which I feel really helped.